बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम। अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बाना आतिना फ़िद दुनिया हसनतम व फ़िल आखिरति हसनतम व क़िना अज़ाबन्नार आमीन। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम। This is the example question of case C2. This question is from March 21, paper 62, question 1. An important advice: be kind to others. A construction company notes the time T days that it takes to build each house of a certain design. The result for a random sample of 60 houses are summarized. See, the distribution is unknown. How do we know this is case C2? Because the population is unknown and NS is large. Also, sigma square is unknown. So these are three conditions for case C2. Unknown population, large N, and sigma square is unknown. Okay, so number one, we need T bar. It should be sigma T over T, NS. Number two, we would need sigma cap square. That should be NS over NS minus 1. Sigma T square over NS minus square of mean. Then we will find confidence interval with the help of this formula. Okay, so you can also write this formula as sigma cap square over NS. Well, we need confidence interval 98% confidence level. So 98% means this area is 98% and these two areas are 1% each. So this total area will be the lower tail area. This area is 99%. This is 1% and this value would be 2.326. 99% area. So this is T bar, sigma T over NS. It's 241 over 3. This is 2.326, 99%. Sigma cap square is NS upon NS minus 1, sigma T square over NS minus square of mean. And this is sigma cap square. Now confidence interval. X bar plus minus 2.326. In fact, T bar. Z sigma cap square over NS. So T bar is 241 over 3 plus minus 2.321. Sigma cap square is 82.0904 over 60. This will give you confidence interval. Last part. Explain why it was necessary to use central limit theorem. Because of unknown population and large N. These are two conditions for CLT. If the population is unknown or non-normal and large and N is large. Large NS and unknown population, a non-normal population. Hope this lecture will help you to understand the case C2. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.